ka surjong phi ka thang jangi
Ka Election Commission kapan bana ya ki tarik jet pajbat Assembly election Hasantali ki jila but ka Union Territory ka Election Commission jongkari India. Kalapan bana ya kapor ban penlong ya ka election sya ka ying dorbar thau an ka jila. Haki Santali ki jila but ka Union Territory Assam, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Kerala but Puducherry. Katkum ka jingbu por na ka benta ka election. Kajing tap vote ha Assam, Kerala but Puducherry kan long ha ka khandai trik uyayong. Kat baka Tamil Nadu kan let tap vote ha ka arpulai trik uyayong. Ha West Bengal ka election kan long ha ki arbenta. Kabenta ka baningkong kan long ha ka arpulai trik uyayong but kabenta ka baar kan long ha ka arpkhandai trik uyayong. Kajing nyaw vote na kabenta kini ki baro Santali ki jila but ka Union Territory kan long ha ka South rik ujamang ha ka ba ki result ken rai ya kajing thau sarkar bathamai ha ki assembly jom kini ki jila.
All 126 assembly constituencies for Assam, the polling shall be just in one phase and the polling shall take place on 9th of April, Thursday, 2026. The counting shall be on 4th of May. All 140 assembly constituencies of Kerala shall also go for polling on 9th April, that is Thursday, and counting shall be on the same day, that is 4th May 2026. Puducherry also will go along with Assam and Kerala. The date of poll is 9th April and the counting will be 4th of May. Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu, all 234 assembly constituencies will go for poll on 23rd of April in one phase, and the counting shall be on the same day for all the 5 states/UT, that is 4th of May 2026. West Bengal. West Bengal, the 294 assembly constituencies, the polling shall be held in 2 phases. In the first phase, 152, and the second phase, 142. The date of poll shall be 23rd of April and 29th of April. And the counting shall be together for all, that is 4th of May 2026.